Here we are in the Andes. There's this big Andean thunderstorm that's rolled in. We're in the town of Urubamba at this freaking amazing resort. It's got a pool, it's got a freaking church, it's got a museum, it's huge, it's gigantic. I mean, you can walk around the grounds for freaking half an hour at least. Alright, here we are in the Andes. A big Andean thunderstorm that's rolled in. And seems to be right above us. It's pretty impressive. And probably not on this shitty video, but it's certainly impressive to be there. Well, I guess this big Andean thunderstorm also set this tree or something on fire. There's a tree burning up in there. Kaboom! I wonder what the lights were up there. I thought it was some part of the resort. Oh, it's a tree on fire. Nice Andean thunderstorm to welcome us to this resort.